Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making a resin crystal, so let's jump in and get started. I went ahead and mixed up my resin off camera just to save time. I'm using the Liquid Diamonds resin today. I'm adding 2 ounces of clear to my mold here, and that's really going to be it for layer number 1. I was pouring it into this little cup just to try to get in there to those crystal points without introducing a bunch of bubbles. I found that it's easier to pour it this way, and you don't get a ton of bubbles when you use that little cup. This is the next day. I'm going to go in with some of this gloss varnish. You can see I had a tiny bit in this little cup, and I'm adding some mylar glitter to that gloss varnish, and I wanted that gloss varnish to kind of be like a glue. You could do resin for this layer if you want to, but I just like to do it this way because it's easier for me, and then I don't have to mix resin. And you can get this glitter from Laura's Art Corner. I'll link it down below along with my coupon code. I'm just taking my paintbrush, I mixed it together really well, and I'm just painting it right on top of that cured layer of clear that we did the day before. Just kind of like spreading it out, making sure that it was completely covered. I'm going to let that cure or dry overnight, and this is the next day. I'm going to go in with some of this diamond dust from Solar Color Dust. You can get this sample pack from their website for only $5. It's got a ton of different colors in there, and it's really nice that they have the sample packs available because you can try different colors without, having to buy a huge jar of it. We're going to be using Shimmer Purple today, and I'm just taking my little makeup brush here and painting that all over the inside of the mold. And I'll link the sample pack down below along with my coupon code. You can get a discount on anything off the Solar Color Dust website with my discount code NAPTIME. And I'm just going to fill the mold up the rest of the way with some black tinted resin. And I used mica powder and alcohol ink to make my resin black for this layer, filling up the mold the rest of the way. And I'll link one of my mixing tutorials down below in the description box if you want to see step by step how I mix my Liquid Diamonds resin. I just cut the mixing out of this video to save time. I hit this with my heat gun to pop those few little bubbles I had, let it cure overnight. This is the next day. We're getting ready to take it out of the mold. I was really excited to see how it turned out because I had never tried the Shimmer Purple Diamond Dust before. The diamond dust is so pretty. Definitely check them out, and it's really awesome that you can get that sample pack of all the different colors of diamond dust. It's kind of color shifting, so it looks different if you use it with a darker color as opposed to a lighter color. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and as always, I'll link all the materials I use down below in the description box along with any coupon codes that I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Naptime Creations. I hope you're all doing fabulous, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye, guys.